Good day everyone, and in today's video let's talk about Xiaomi 14 Ultra. In a box you will find a case, charger and a cable. How heavy it is? I have a scale. 241 grams with the case. The design itself is fantastic. Look at those edges, brushed aluminum. Looks nice. Artificial leather will not leave any fingerprint, but it will gather a little bit of dust. But that's normal from your pockets. It is making noises. Those noises are from optical image stabilization, and it's perfectly normal. Don't worry about that. Fingerprint sensor. Bam. That is quick. And look at that quick 120 Hertz screen smooth experience. Display and brightness, and if we go to the screen resolution, you can choose between high resolution and full HD. We are of course in the high resolution, and refresh rate, like I can say default, which is basically adaptive, fix 60 120, or app using high refresh rate. You can choose which app will use 120. We do have for LTE calls and Wi-Fi calling, of course, and also 5G network is available. The menu itself is very intuitive and it is quick. It's one of the quickest Android I've seen ever, and smooth. There's no glitches, nothing. Wow. What kind of power do we have in this smartphone? And we do have tons of it. Hitting the benchmark, and we do have 1.9 million points, which is very normal for Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. What about the storage test? And this is very surprising. Look how quick is that storage. 1490, almost 1500 on the read, and 1380 on the write. It's astonishing speed. What does that mean? It means multitasking will be no problem, oh my dear friend. But if those numbers doesn't mean anything to you, we also have a geek benchmark, and what a fantastic score in a single compared to Galaxy S23 Ultra. It's like no comparison. And then multi, of course, 6500. It's one of the biggest scores ever on the Android, so it's very powerful. But those kind of power doesn't mean anything if you cannot use it. Let's game. Game mode, 100 frames per second. Woo. Changing wallpapers is also very easy. I know that those are the small things, but I like to see a beautiful wallpaper on my smartphone, like this one. Both. Bam. That's how quick that is. And smooth. Alright, let's continue to a camera. And in the camera department, we do have tons of features. This smartphone is basically designed for the camera. We are at the log now, so the colors will be different. All right. We can record all the way to 8K 30 frames per second. We have a log, like I said. We have an aspect ratio histogram, shotgun. All right. This is a Pro mode, also for photo and video. Hitting the movie mode, this will give you a full screen, but it's only in full HD, so I won't recommend. In the video department, of course, you can record in HDR in 4K 30. That's the maximum, I think. Yeah, 24 or 30. For HDR, we have extra steady. We have super macro, if you wanted to. If you want a super macro, wow. Wow, check out those details. Damn. Impressive. Okay, but of course you can use telephoto lens to basically do the same. 3.2x will be the same, so there's like no point. It'll be quicker to use a slider. By the way, slider is very nice. Do you hear it? It also gives you a vibration on the device, so you will feel like it's something mechanical. Super nice. Anyway, front-facing camera, also in 4K 60. All right. There is no autofocus in front-facing camera, unfortunately, But, my friend, if I go very close, it'll be very sharp. So it's okay. At least it's very wide. Very. Then let's continue to a photo. And in the photo department, we can zoom a little bit in the front-facing camera. That's very nice. I have palm photo. Just see. All you need to do is do this, and it will take a photo. Then in portrait mode, I think it will be the same, but you have to hit settings. Yeah, it has the same also, HD portrait. But going back to the photo department, we do have wide angle 0.5, which is very wide. Look how close I am to this smartphone, and it's, damn, it is wide. Of course, a brilliant telephoto with all the way. You can go all the way to 120. It will be crazy. Let me go back. Damn. Look at that. That's the edge of the camera. Really good. Anyway. Documents, original BMW and enchantment. 50 megapixel. Bam, if you want to. From all the lenses, which is really cool. Really cool. Fast shot and director mode. In director mode, you can connect two separate devices, or second one as a monitor. So what we need to do is hit this one as a monitor and ultra as a camera. Hit start, and it should be fast. It's already done. It's instant. Very little delay. Of course, the phones are very close to each other, but it's amazing. It's really good. As a monitor, the amount of details is amazing. You can play around with audio if you wanted to. Rare, front, gain, all kinds of stuff. And then you have tons of filters. But apparently we are on a very telephoto lens, so let's do wide angle, and now a little bit of filters for you. There you go. It has twice more filters than the Pro version, which you can see in the camera. That's why it's ultra. This is all super cool, but let me show you samples. And the main question is, can you spy on your neighbor? Oh yeah, you can. Nice. Really nice.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
Battery will last me for at least 7 hours, which is fantastic. Is this the best smartphone in the world? It all depends. For video, one of the best. Definitely best handling wise, because it's small, not like in the Galaxy series, which is clunker and unusable with one hand. This is just pressing one button and damn, it is fast and beautiful. That's all I have. Thanks for watching, and see you next video. Link in the description for you.